Hello everyone. In this video I will showcase how to extract secrets from Kubernetes and how to save them to a file. So let's get started. So I'll create a namespace called secrets demo ns. So my namespace has been created. And next, to work with the secret, I have to create a secret. So my secret name is secrets demo and it's from I'm just passing from literal, and key value pair is username equal to admin, and second key value pair is password equal to abcd1234. So my secret has been created. Now we can confirm the secret by giving like output equal to YAML. So we have to do k dash and namespace get secret name output equal to YAML. So we can see the secret, and this secret is base 64 encoded. Now to get this particular secret, we have a couple of options. Like in this demo I'll show you three options. So one is JSON path. So let's say you want to extract the username or password value, right? So you have the JSON path, which is basically you have a JSON and you specify a path within the JSON element. So this is one of the ways. So we can say dash o output JSON path and JSON path template. So as you can see, first dot is the root level, then after the root there is a data element and then the username element. So here, so this is how we actually navigate to that particular path to extract that particular element. So if I press enter, I can see the username. So this is one of the most popular way of extracting values from the Kubernetes object JSON path. There is another way if you feel more comfortable, which is the template based. It's similar to Go templates. So you can do something like this. Format is slightly different, but depends on which one you prefer more. So this also gives me the same value. Last is the YQ parser, similar to JQ YAML parser. So I am using this particular version, and I can extract this username from this is the third way, YQ. So in this case I have to first give output YAML, because YQ works only on the YAML format. So it needs so I am feeding the output and inputting it to YQ tool and giving data.username, and I am getting back the third same value. So now just do the last part, which I want to show you. So this is the quick way to actually extract the username, and then I'm piping it to base 64-D, which will decode from encoded to decode, and then I'm just saving it to username.txt. So my value has been saved. So I'll just quickly cat it out and just show you that there is only one line, and I'll just repeat this for the password field as well. That's all. So there is one more way. There is a custom column way, but it will have the column header as well. I just want to showcase that also for your information. So this is a custom column format, output equal to custom columns, and that must be followed by equal to sign, column name. This can be anything that you want to call, and then again JSON path, and then password. So in this this format allows you to extract multiple values. So you can have comma and some more information if you want to extract, and then it will give you nicely formatted table with columns and their values. So that's all. So I'll just do some cleanup. So I'll delete my secrets and I'll delete the namespace. So that's all I wanted to show you, how to extract secrets from secrets object and how to save them to a file. Thanks for watching. Bye.